Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to review my most favorite restaurant, Atrio Cafe and Grill. I have been going on Atrio Cafe and Grill on and off for years. Food is always great and the vibe is what I need at the time. If you are in Islamabad, then this place is a must visit. So today I am going to list down my top 5 most favorite dishes of Atrio Cafe and Grill. So number 1 on the list is grilled chicken. This recipe guarantees juicy, flavorful chicken every time. Fantastic is a single word that I can give to this recipe right now. Second on the list is mouth-watering jalapeno chicken penne. The jalapeno chicken penne features Atrio's signature spicy blend with 100% all white meat chicken breast topped with fresh and diced jalapenos and specially made ghost pepper sauce. Third on the list is grilled Mexican steaks. Grilled Mexican steak is grilled to the perfection. This tender grilled meat is filled with authentic Mexican flavors. Fourth on the list is black pepper steak. Real deal black pepper steak is tender, juicy and rich with crisp veggies and a delicious sauce that goes with perfectly steamed rice. And the last one is exotic red fusion handi. Basically, red fusion handi is South Asian desi food. Boneless chicken curry with smooth tomato onion paste with creamy base with a special taste of red chili and lemon. Atrio Cafe and Grill, the most happening rooftop in Islamabad, got 5-star reviews from me.